Well guys, do not skip this video. What I'm about to explain to you here is very crucial to your success. Do you know why many traders fail? Do you know why many investors panic and sell? Do you know why many businesses will fail? It's because of the person running the show. And the person running the show is controlled by something else. And that is the capital they use when they start a business, when they start investing or trading. Look, when we trade, we usually take our savings to trade with. When we invest, we usually take our savings to invest with. When we start businesses, we usually are desperate to make money, or we also take our savings to start investing with. See, these two factors, desperation to make money, reliance on business and trading and investing to make you your money so you can pay your expenses, and the money we use, which is our savings, which we regard as a safety net for us. It makes us feel good. When we use that to invest with and trade with, of course we're gonna feel some sort of a way. We don't wanna risk it, we don't wanna lose it because we worked hard for that money. So the first problem is to solve the savings part, not to touch our safety net. Because the moment you take the safety net and risk it, you're going to start making bad decisions. You're going to remain in a losing trade because you don't want to lose the money. You're going to delay your entries because, of course, you don't want to take risk when you've already taken risk by actually entering the market. And when you're a business owner, you're actually going to rely on your business to give you money. And you haven't put enough time in, and you're going to cut corners. So let's solve that first problem. First of all, how are you going to make money? Job. You get a job, you make your money from your job. There's nothing wrong with that. You don't start a business because you want to make money. You start a business because you don't want to do your job anymore. And then anything after that is a bonus. Similarly with trading. So, if you have income of 2,000, let's say, and I'm speaking to a certain group of people with that middle class wage, you could say. Let's assume you have 2,000 a month coming from your job. 1,000 goes to your expenses, another 1,000 is left, 500 goes straight to your savings, and I would never touch that, guys, if I was you guys. I would never touch it. Just leave it, go to my safety. So I don't have to worry about the next 500 left. The next 500 I use for entertainment and whatnot. And here's where the sacrifices come in. What am I going to do with that money? Do I go and entertain myself? Or do I go and start a business with it? Do I start trading with it? And yes, nowadays you can start with $300 to trade. So, starting small to start a business. If you see the business is worth starting and keeping, then you start adding more every month. And you keep going every month. Investing similarly, keep going every month. That way, you're not risking the expenses you were going to live on. You're not risking your savings, i.e. your safety net that made you feel some kind of a way safe, sleep at night well. And you're just risking the money you were going to spend anyways. That solves the emotional attachment towards the capital invested and used in the markets. And that way your performance increases. So, making money to use to invest and risk in markets comes from a job. That's how you make it. If you're here because you want to make money, then do not bother, guys, because you will fail. And I'm only telling you this from experience, because the first time I started, I took my 20,000 back in the day, put it into the stock market, and lost half of it. I folded the shop and withdrew everything. And then I went again, this time smarter. This time I wasn't using my savings, but I used something else. I used the money that I was getting from my job, and I risked it slowly. Until I seen, yes, this is happening, guys. This is working. And then I took that savings and went in full time, and bigger and stronger. So, there's nothing wrong with working a job, but you don't work a job to just work it. You work a job because you want to just make the money, and then you feed it into your businesses and whatnot. And a job is just there to keep you afloat, so you don't rely on your business to feed you. Because you need to give it enough time, you need to give it enough attention, you need to give it enough sacrifices. And many are not willing to do that. And yes, guys, not everybody will succeed, because not everybody is willing to sacrifice time. And not everybody has that time in the first place. So that's my advice to you guys. I bet you this will solve the problem of being scared to trade, being scared to invest, being scared to start a business. When you solve the problem of savings, and when you solve the problem of reliance on this craft of yours to make you money, yes, eventually it will make you money. But psychologically, because trading and investing is psychological, you need to change that by changing the way you allocate capital. It shouldn't come from your savings. Of course, majority of you guys probably earning six figures, over 50,000 plus, so you have enough savings to split in half and dedicate half of it to the markets and businesses. So for those that don't have much savings, I recommend you follow the thing I just told you here, guys. And this will help you, this will save you a lot of headaches, and most importantly, you will see your performance improving. So that's me done. See you guys soon. Hopefully you enjoyed this. Peace and love. Don't forget the smashy smashy. Peace.